Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we'll learn how to fix Roshade not working. So firstly, in order to see why Roshade is not working, we'll go to Task Manager. In here, we'll have to see that any third-party applications are running or not. That will affect in our gameplay with its overlay. So one of them are Internet Download Manager. I have running, so I'll just close it, and you have to see whatever you are running, so you'll just close it. After that, we'll have to reinstall Roshade. So we'll go to our browser, type Roshade, then go to the Roshade's official website. From here, we'll have to click on the download button, so which is this one. Now we'll just go and get the free version, which is the light shaders version. Now click on download. After that, an AdSense will come. We'll just have to skip it after waiting for 5 seconds. Now click on skip. Download it anywhere you prefer. After that, right click, double click on it and open. Now click run. Now click on uninstall. Click on next. Make sure that all of these settings are tick marked, so I'll just make sure and click on uninstall. After that, the shaders will start installing and we'll have to wait a bit. After we are done installing and it is still not working, maybe we have issues with the compatibility of Roblox player. So we'll go to the file location of Roblox player. Again, right click and open file location. Now we'll find the main player application exe. So we'll just go to properties, go to compatibility mode. Now disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. And after we do these changes, Roshade will be working perfectly. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.